Hi everyone, my name's Julian Buckley and I'm the editor of Power Progress International. Today marks a significant moment as we explore the future of power solutions with one of the industry's most respected leaders. I'm joined by Eric Fontaine, president of the Engines division at Rehlko, a company that's redefining what it means to deliver energy solutions in today's complex landscape. Eric recently joined Rehlko in January 2025, bringing with him extensive experience in industrial markets. Eric, welcome.
Thank you, Julian. It's my pleasure to be here and share our vision for the future of engines and its impact on energy solutions.
It's lovely to see you, Eric. Lovely to see you again.
Yes, thank you.
You know, for the people not familiar with the Rehlko name, what do you think defines Rehlko in today's energy landscape?
Yeah, Rehlko embodies over a century of engineering excellence, but we're firmly committed to the future. We're not just an engine manufacturer, we're a comprehensive, energy resilient company with a global footprint spanning Europe, the Americas, and Asia. What truly defines us are our four core values that really guide every decision we make. Those four values are curiosity, pace, trust, and excellence. Curiosity drives us to constantly explore new solutions and challenge the status quo. Trust forms the foundation of every partnership we build. Pace ensures we move swiftly with intent to meet evolving market demands. And excellence, that's our unwavering commitment to quality in everything we do. We manufacture gasoline engines with power ratings ranging from 4 horsepower to 40 horsepower, primarily serving turf applications, industrial applications, and our home energy generators. We also manufacture diesel engines with power ratings ranging from 3 kilowatts to over 115 kilowatts, serving critical applications across construction, agriculture, power generation, and marine sectors. But beyond the specifications, Rehlko represents uptime, productivity, and low total cost of ownership, the things that matter most to our OEMs. We deliver mission-critical energy solutions for the machines that build our world, harvest our food, and keep essential services running.
You mentioned in your answer, mission-critical. In practical terms, what does that mean for your customers?
Yeah, mission critical isn't just a phrase for us, it's a commitment etched into every engine we produce. As an example, during harvest season, farmers work around the clock. Equipment failure isn't just inconvenient, it can mean the difference between profit and loss for an entire year. On a golf course, uptime is a basic requirement. Our turf engines allow customers to manage the entire grass cutting season in the shortest period of time, at the highest quality of cut. In construction applications, our extended service intervals provide more uptime, even in the harshest conditions, so customers enjoy more productivity and thus a quicker return on their investment. Our engines must perform flawlessly, whenever, wherever, from Arctic cold to tropical heat, from calm seas to severe storms. We have embraced the reliability growth methodology so that our engine's design is ironclad, a rigorous testing that goes far beyond industry standards. We test in conditions most engines will never face, because we expect that somewhere, one of our engines could and would likely face exactly those conditions.
The market is experiencing some upheaval when it comes to alternative fuels. What's Rehlko's response to that?
The conversation around alternative fuels is fascinating because it's not just about replacement. It's about having the right solution for each application. Let me share our approach. In the past 4 years, we've invested significantly in hybrid and hydrogen technologies. However, the real value today lies in delivering what customers truly need, not just what the market suggests as a replacement for the potential future. Our focus is primarily on power density, response time, and productivity, parameters that end users immediately recognize and appreciate on the job site. This mindset is what led to the upgrade of the 1903 model from 42 to 50 kilowatts, as well as the expansion of the power pack across the entire KSD range. We are continually engaged with our customers and leverage voice of customer in anything that we develop. In the end, we are committed to creating real practical value for the people who operate these machines every day. We're upgrading the Command Pro 888 gasoline engine with an electronic throttle body, so it will be fully electronically controlled. That means better performance, easier integration for our OEMs, and a more user-friendly productive experience overall. Simultaneously, we're advancing our work with renewable fuels like HVO. What excites me is its immediate applicability. Our entire diesel engine range can run on HVO today, offering up to 90% reduction in carbon emissions with zero modifications required. This isn't future technology, it's available now. We're also ready for e-fuels, which offer a fast, carbon-neutral solution without requiring changes to infrastructure or user habits. The future isn't about choosing one technology. It's about having a portfolio of solutions optimized for different applications, duty cycles, and regional requirements. We don't dictate the solution. The market tells us what it needs. And we're the right partner because we can support our customers. Whether it's HVO for immediate carbon reduction, advanced diesel for heavy-duty applications, or high-efficiency gasoline for lighter equipment, we're ensuring our customers have the right power solution for their specific needs.
Digital technology is impacting almost every industry in the world now. How is Rehlko bringing the digital tech into what was primarily a mechanical product?
Well, again, we don't dictate the solution, but we do provide data and tools like remote diagnostics that help our customers integrate our engines more effectively into their machines. We continue to invest in digital transformation, not just for performance, but to make our production increasingly efficient and sustainable, with the goal of eliminating waste. We've also improved safety and efficiency at our production plants. For example, we use AGVs instead of human-driven forklifts because their routes are consistent and safer. And we've introduced cold testing, which means electronically controlled engines are no longer started during testing, allowing us to gather key performance parameters while ensuring a more controlled and consistent production process.
Rehlko operates through a global network of distributors and dealers. How do you maintain the quality and service when you're operating a worldwide operation?
Our distribution network is truly the backbone of our business. We have over 3,000 dealers worldwide, and each one represents Rehlko in their market. This isn't just about moving products. It's about extending our expertise and values into every market we serve. The key to our partnership philosophy is recognizing that our dealers know and support their local and regional markets way better than us. They understand local regulations, application requirements, and customer preferences. Our role is to empower them with world-class products, comprehensive training, and unwavering support. We invest heavily in dealer development. This includes technical training, of course, but also business development support, marketing resources, and inventory management tools. We've developed certification programs that ensure consistent service quality while allowing for local adaptation. Trust, one of our core values, is essential here. We trust our dealers to represent us well, and they trust us to support them completely. This mutual trust, built over decades, is what allows us to maintain premium service standards. Our recent strategic moves have only strengthened these partnerships, providing additional resources for training, inventory support, and market development. When our dealers succeed, we succeed. It's that simple.
Emissions regulations keep changing around the world, with different regions moving at different speeds. How does Rehlko manage that?
So the regulatory landscape is indeed complex and becoming more so. But I see regulations not as constraints, but as catalysts for innovation. Every new standard pushes us to find better solutions, more efficient technologies, cleaner operations. Take the KDI range, for example. Since its launch in 2012, it has become a global success, with over 350,000 units produced and more than 500 applications across industries like construction, agriculture, material handling, and power generation. Its versatility and performance have made it a go-to choice for manufacturers worldwide. Thanks to our KDI Flex emission control system, every configuration needs emission standards across all markets, from the least regulated to the most stringent. Let me walk you through how we approach this. First, we maintain deep relationships with regulatory bodies worldwide. Second, we design with the future in mind. When we develop a new engine platform, we're not just meeting today's standards, we're anticipating what's coming in 5, even 10 years. This forward-thinking approach means our customers never have to worry about their equipment becoming obsolete due to regulatory changes. Third, since there's still no global harmonization of emission standards, we have to design platforms that can meet all of them. The better we are at doing that, the more we help our customers simplify. Because with a single engine spec, they can serve multiple markets worldwide, whether it's Stage 5 in Europe, Tier 4 final in North America, Bharat Stage 5 in India, or China's evolving standards, we have solutions ready. This proactive approach, driven by our values of pace and excellence, ensures we're always ahead of the curve, never playing catch-up.
Looking at the broader industry landscape, what trends are you seeing, and how is Rehlko positioning itself to capitalize on them?
Several powerful trends are reshaping our industry, and I'm excited about how Rehlko is positioned to lead through these changes. First, we're seeing unprecedented demand for power density, basically right-sizing. This is driven by machine manufacturers who need to meet increasing performance demands out of the same machine dimensions. This will lead to improved fuel consumption. Second, total cost of ownership is becoming the dominant decision factor. Purchase price is just one component. Customers now evaluate fuel efficiency, service intervals, and parts availability, so the complete life cycle cost. This plays to our strengths in reliability, fuel efficiency, and global service support. Third, we're seeing a fundamental shift in how equipment is being used. Rental fleets are growing, utilization rates are increasing, and equipment is working harder than ever. This demands engines that can support higher work hours, more severe duty cycles, and varied operating conditions. Exactly what we engineer for.
Sustainability has become central to every industry's strategy. How does Rehlko balance the need for power output and also environmental responsibility?
Sustainability isn't something we've added to our strategy. It's woven into our purpose, creating an energy-resilient world for a better future. This means taking a holistic view of environmental impact while ensuring our customers continue to do the critical work that keeps our world running. Our approach is pragmatic and multi-layered. We're making current technologies as clean and efficient as possible, knowing these engines will be in service for decades. We're looking at the full life cycle, from raw materials to manufacturing operations and end-of-life recycling. We're cutting waste, increasing the use of remanufactured components, and designing engines for longer life. All our production facilities will soon be ISO 14001 certified, the global benchmark for environmental management. Our value of excellence demands that we excel not just in performance, but in our responsibility to future generations. When we say, for a better future, we mean it. Every decision we make is evaluated not just on its business merit, but on its long-term impact on the world we are leaving behind.
Eric, you've just recently taken over at Rehlko. After what could be described as quite a transformative period, what motivates you personally, and how does that affect the company moving forward?
Yeah, what drives me is the profound impact our products have on the world. My vision for Rehlko is to be a leader in energy solutions, not just in terms of market share, but in terms of innovation, reliability, and responsibility. I want Rehlko to be the company that others look to for leadership as our industry navigates this transformation. This means continuing to attract and develop the best talent in the industry. Our people, their expertise, their passion, their commitment are what truly differentiates us. It means investing in technologies that might not pay off for years, because we're building for the long term. And it means never losing sight of our core values, especially trust and excellence, which have guided us for over a century. My priorities are clear: operational excellence and leadership. I believe in shared cross-functional processes that keep everyone moving in the same direction. We rely on lean manufacturing and regular Kaizen events to turn strategy into repeatable, results-driven actions. In large organizations, communication gaps and misalignment can slow us down. I want us to stay focused. Innovation remains central, but it must be disciplined. I believe in continuous improvement, with clear priorities around an 80-20 philosophy. When the 20th good idea comes along, we need to pause, realign, and concentrate on the 4 or 5 that truly move us forward. We're not just adapting to change, we're driving it. And that's incredibly exciting.
So in closing, do you have any final thoughts for our audience today?
Sure. To everyone who depends on Rehlko engines, whether you're operating a single machine or managing a large fleet, know that we're committed to your success. Our engines represent a dedication to our customers and a commitment to reliability and productivity, delivered anywhere in the world. The future of Rehlko is now, and we're helping to shape an energy-resilient world.
Eric Fontaine, President of the Engine Division at Rehlko, thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you, Julian. It was my pleasure.